So this is River's first time scuba diving. She's gonna learn how to breathe with the regulator, and so we've arranged for the dive guys to do the bubble makers because she's now 8 years old, and so she can start to learn how everything works as far as the mask, the regulators, the tanks, the BCDs, and everything like that. And we're gonna start in the pool, and then when she's 10, she can actually get certified. So we're gonna start this process here in Indonesia. This is the story of a family of 4 traveling the world as often as possible, sharing their adventures. Join us all on this season as we find exciting new places to explore, living this crazy life on the go. If you like our videos, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps us out a lot. Hi. What are you gonna do?
It's a surprise.
It's a surprise? Oh, I like it. Go.
Isn't Dad and Dad's coming?
Yep, everyone's coming. Oh no, I'm gonna get wet by the sprinkler. And then there's that guy. Wow. He hates us because he's a teenager and he doesn't understand why he has to come support his sister. You know.
I get why we're here, but I hardly get why the pool is that shallow.
I don't know, but it's hot. Ow. Because it's hot. Ow. Ow, 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 ow. It's hot.
I agree, Pop.
It's hot. Oh, Desmond's finally warm enough.
At least the ground's more warmer than your ocean.
Are you finally hot?
I think it needs to take.
What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do about it, dude? What are you gonna do about it, almost 15-year-old?
You deserve it.
My spoiled brat children. I like to take a tanky thing. The pool at our villa is deeper.
No, it's not.
It is true.
I think it's the same.
Really?
That's a lie.
Can you tell me your name again?
G'day.
G'day?
Yes,
G'day?
g'day. I explain you about the tank, yeah? So this specialty tank is for the kids because the size is very small. It's usually it is very comfortable for you when you go scuba diving because the size is 7 liters. For me, I use 15 or 12 liters. The size is bigger. It's too heavy with it. This specialty.
At first, River had to learn all about the gear outside of the water. She learned what each component did and why they were needed. And then she hopped in the water. Only kid I know that's allergic to water. Goggles suck. I know they are, but why do they keep fogging?
It's not, maybe I'm hot-headed. And that's why I'm constantly fogging up, because I'm so hot. Okay, not hot that way. But why am I fogging it? We have burned them, we have squirted, we have toothpaste, we have soaped. Do you see this? Cool?
But I want you to know that I'm so proud of you, and you look so good. She looks so relaxed.
Yeah, I see.
Doesn't she?
Yeah.
She looks relaxed and calm
Yeah.
and
smooth and her
Yes.
buoyancy is good.
Yes. Because this without fin.
Yeah.
With fin, all is perfect.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so proud of you, and I'm filming you because I'm very, very proud of you. Bye. Okay, I'll stop now. Bye. Have fun.
For the next hour, they swam round and round in the pool, getting more and more comfortable with the gear. Later that afternoon, I went and got a massage. And after that, I picked up River so she and I could have some mommy-daughter pampering time. She was really embarrassed to wear the smock and did not want me to film her wearing it at all.
Did not notice that.
What do you mean you didn't?
Did not notice that.
You didn't notice how cute we were walking?
Did you delete that video?
No. Because your
We
mom
should
wants.
be filming this, Mom. That guy. Give your dad a kiss and say thanks.
You're killing me. Yeah.
Yeah, go for it.
Go do boy things.
Yeah, we don't do boys.
We're gonna go do girl things.
What the fuck's that?
Okay, let's go. Right here. Let's go get our hair done. Ooh, there's a bee. Okay. Hi. Okay, we're back. We're ready. Yes? Okay. Yeah? Yeah. Put one of these on.
No.
No, because you need to. Yeah.
Would you like the chains?
Yes.
I'm laughing.
What?
I'm laughing at you.
Why? It feels good. You
When you look-
relax.
When
Enjoy
you
it.
when you look reacts, it looks funny.
You just wait, little girl.
You're not filming me though. You're
I'm
not.
going to open your mind.
But you're not filming me. Because it's embarrassing.
What's embarrassing about this?
I'm wearing this. Oh no. Mama! Stop! Stop!
Literally, I can only see the sun. I can't even see you.
Stop. Stop.
Smile.
No. Stop.
Enjoy it. It feels good, huh? Yeah, it does, huh? Count.
1, 2, 3. A. I gave you 3 seconds.
Did you really, though?
I gave you 3 seconds. You said you wanted 3 seconds. So you want
So River and I just had a mommy-daughter date, didn't we?
Yeah.
And what'd we do?
soften our hair.
We softened our hair. So we went and had a deep condition treatment on our hair.
It looks
And
like
then-
I have chicken pox.
And a neck massage, and it does look like you have chicken pox. You poor little girl, keep getting eaten by mosquitoes. And we had a lovely time together, didn't we?
Just the water part.
I'm so glad that we got to spend that time together. And now, where are we?
I'm gonna disappear.
Now, where are we? Joe's! And she's off again. The next day, Joel and I got asked to create a short video to promote Amurtha Villas. This was an unpaid promotion, but we were happy to do it because we loved the place so much. We shot all of the aerial footage first, and while we were filming the drone shots, Joel got too close to a tree and crashed the drone into it. Luckily, no major damage happened, and we were able to use the shots and make a great video. And it was at this point that I started yelling, "Tree, tree, tree!" But it was too late. Luckily, there was no major damage done to the drone. It's so much fun to film promotional videos because it's so... We're not actually natural at this. And I think that people actually need to see that, like, we don't just, it's not one take, one and done. It's a lot harder than that. Maybe I want a slow, sexy walk from you. Although it's really funny because you have like the chair marks on your back. Try to get a good picture of Joel and he's got chair marks. Ow, that sounds hot. Hot, 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 hot. Hello everyone, this is Jamie.
And Joel from the Sea Life.
And we are here at the incredibly stunning Amurtha Villas. If you want to get away from the hustle and bustle of South Bali, come to Northern Bali. This place is amazing. Amurtha Villas has everything that you need, with diving and snorkeling just minutes away.
It's incredibly quiet. Your family will love it. There's no hassle anywhere on the beach. The restaurants are awesome, and quite often they're walking distance. So please check it out. You'll enjoy it.
Join us on the next episode as we sadly leave Northern Bali and make our way to the interior of the island. We stop at 2 waterfalls and a Buddhist temple. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button before heading over to Patreon to support our efforts even further. You get exclusive content, ad-free videos, and so much more just for showing your love. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.